To this vlog, we're gonna have unboxing Christmas presents. And my girls are really excited. So, come on my loves. Tanaw-tanaw lang mo kay ako pud magtanaw-tanaw pud ko nila kay wala man ko ako So my love, enjoy.
Hi guys! Today we're gonna open our unboxing presents. But before that, let's sing a happy birthday song to Jesus. And then after the song, we're gonna open it. Happy birthday, Jesus. I'm so glad it's Christmas. All the tinsels and lights and the presents are nice, but the real gift is you. Happy birthday, Jesus. I'm so glad it's Christmas. All the carols and bells make the holidays well, and it's all about you. Happy birthday, Jesus. Jesus, I love you. Jesus, I love you. Now let's get started. Open it.
Oh well, somebody's really excited. Oh no, hang on. So, Popsy, we're gonna open first. Okay, Pops, open your gift. Hang on, we're gonna read it. This is from Ishi and Jobs. Thank you very much, Ishi and Jobs.
Whoa, I got an LOL, you guys. Look, I got an LOL. What LOL did you get? This one.
Wow, show it to the...
Look.
Okay, what you gonna say? Say thank you to Ishi and Jobs.
Thank you, eating fun.
Wow, okay, open it. Let's see, guys, what's inside. Swerte kayo sila, my loves. You know what? Ever since the world began, wala talaga akong regalo. Kaya nga, at least naman sa mga anak ko, maraming nagmamahal. So, thank you very much mga lalabs na naghatag ng regalo sa kanila. Ayan. Sige, I'm so excited.
Can you open it, please?
Okay.
Whoa! Look!
Wow! Okay. Hang on. Wait.
Whoa! So cool!
So cool daw. Okay. Can you read it for me? Aura.
Merry Christmas, love, Yaya and Yo-Yo.
Wow! Thank you, Yaya and Yuyo. Ang swerte naman nila, my loves. Ako, wala talaga ako natanggap, my love. Yan, mas
Look, Mommy.
Oh, wow! Show it.
Look, guys. I got this. I got this. Oh, I'm gonna open another plastic bag.
Dito, para sila naghabulan, my love.
I got a purse.
Wow! Okay.
Can you hear me open it?
Anson, how about
No,
wow, you got what? I. Oh, wow, this is a cool toy.
No, that's mine.
Okay, so this one. So what is this? So my love, this is open it. Can you open it? So this is all about like Pinoy Henyo, my love. Para sa atin parang Pinoy Henyo. Yung tagna ba?
Here's some.
Okay.
Popsy, your turn.
Okay, open it, Popsy. Ayan, excited kayo sila, my love. Ay, wala na nakaliwa. Wow! Marshmallow from Jana. Thank you, Jana. Marshmallow. Okay, and next, please.
Here's this one.
Okay, open this one. I think this is for the baby.
It's Nehemiah.
Ano to? Hala. Okay. For me pala ito. Ayan, maganda na ako, my loves. Wait, anak. Yan, so, thank you very much, Mars. Mars, thank you very much. Ayan, may lipstick na po ako.
For baby! For baby, mommy!
Oh, wow. Mars, thank you very much. Ayan. Pang baby ito. May pajama na si baby.
I love
Hang on, wait, sa. Wait, sa. We're just gonna wait for me. Okay. Look, the people, look, listen, the people can see the toys now because you just open it all, kuan. You need to open it one by one so that the people can see what's inside in your gift. Okay, so wait, ate. So this is LOL. LOL. LOL.
Guys, I gotta ask me.
Okay, you know what, my loves? Matagal na itong, my kids are really, matagal na sila nag-request sa LOL, my love. LOL. LOL ba tawag nito? LOL? Matagal na nila tong request, my love, na magpabili sila. Eh, syempre naman, my love, mahal man ito, my love. Uy, hindi ko kaya sa budget. Budget ko, my love, pang $2 lang, my love. Yun na ang kaya kong bilhin. Ito, mahal-mahal, my love. So, kaya, Mars, hi! Hang on, we need to say thank you for all the, for all the people who love you, girls. So, thank you very much sa nagbigay nito. Talaga, request granted talaga. So, may mga itsuburichi pa, yung ganito, ganyan. So, yeah, they are really happy. Ate? So, from Jana also, thank you very much, Jana. Thank you very much sa pagbigay nilang marshmallow. Maha-hyper ito. Whole holiday hyper ito. Next, please. Next.
Maya.
Oh, name Maya. Okay. Yeah,
Hello.
you. Thank you very much. Buksan natin kasi si baby tulog at hindi pa pwede makabukas. Baka kainin niya lahat.
I got a pretty, mommy.
Wow, you got a pretty shirt today. Wow, look at
And
this.
this.
Wow.
And this.
Wow, social. Ito yung mga laman ng parang abubot sa LOL.
I get one.
Oh, baby, thank you, Yaya. Yan, may damit na si baby. Thank you talaga sa nagbigay ng damit kasi at least gamit talaga ito sa camping namin. May walang labahan eh. 1 week kaming walang laba doon. 1 week kami sa bukid. Oh, look at this. LOL. Okay. Next item, please. Okay, next. This one, walang photos. Pero this is from Corpus Family. Ayan, thank you na po. May baon na po kami sa camping namin.
I found a $20.
Chocolate.
I found a $20.
And I've got $20 too. Iwan ko kung sino $20. Ayan, thank you for nanay sa nagbigay ng $20. So I've got 30. This is for you, okay? Papsi?
Yeah. Come on.
Okay, wait sa. So ito pong binili nila, my love, yung nagsha-shopping sila sa sarili nila. So ito pong binili. Can we open it so that the people can see what's inside?
Now, so I have this.
Oh, watch out.
Whoa.
So, ito po, rainbow corns hatching. So, okay, so ito pong yung laman sa itlog. So, nabuksan na nila. Tapos nilagay naman uli sa itlog. So, so may sila dito o may pang pakulay. Pakulay sa mga tudlo nila, my love.
Can I put layers on me?
And then, anything else? So, may mga abubot-abubot. Yeah. May mga maliliit pa na itlog, my love. May mga maliit na itlog. Tingnan nyo. So cute. Dalawa yata. So, ito yung baby ni. So, this is Tiny. Ang pangalan nito is Tiny. Isn't it Tiny, right?
Yeah, the name is Tiny.
Tiny. Her name is Tiny. Ayan. So, how about you, ate?
I forgot what's her name. Amy.
No, this is, yeah, Amy. So, ito pong binili niya. Pareho sila na yun, rainbow corn. Is that rainbow? Rainbow corn? What's the name?
Rainbow corn.
Rainbow corns, yeah. But ang inot siya is elephant corn. Elephant corn. Pang pangalan is Amy. Yan. So, may breast na abubot. So, ito na lang natira. Ito na lang natira, my love. Wala nang abubot-abubot. So, ito namang pangalan ni zebra corn. Zebra. Is it? Giraffe. Zebra? Giraffe. Giraffe corn. Yan. So, next, ate. So, yan. Binuksan na. Hindi nakapag-antay. Bunny.
Here's Popsies.
Popsy. Binuksan na nila, my love. Hindi nakapag-antay. Ano ba to? Unboxing o bukas na? So, ito na po. So, pareho sila. Yan. Magkapatid sila. Actually, bigay ko to sa kanila is mura lang kasi. Ito pong binili ko sa kanila, my love, mura. Kaya So, yan. Ito naman po sa Kapaps Katayora. Itong LOL. Anong pangalan ito? What's the name? I think this name is Candylicious. Ito pala si Candylicious. Ayan. How about you? What's the name, Popsy?
I don't know.
That's the name. It's Alt Girl.
Old girl.
Alt Girl. Yan. So, magkapatid sila. Social! Alam mo ba, alam niyo, my love, nung bata ako, parang wala akong laruan dati. Yung laruan ko lang, yung paper dolls niya. Tapos gawa-gawa ko pang paper dolls. Pero that time, my love, yung during yung kabataan ko, masaya na kami na may laruan kami ganyan. Total, yung paper dolls.
Hello.
Kasi ma-appreciate mo dati noon, pero ngayon, kabataan ngayon, ang social na nila, ang demanding na sila, may love, parang may pera. Pero, yun na nga. So, anyway, salamat sa nagbigay sa kanilang regalo. At anything else that we need to open? May nagmahal din pala sa akin. Nakala ko wala nagmahal sa akin. So, maayong Pasko, Gaw. Ayan, salamat, Gaw, sa naghatag ng huna-huna agatagan ko ni mo regalo, Gaw. Abi na ako, wala na nagmahal na ako. Naapadi ay. So, let's open it. I like to open it. Oh, wow! Marble!
Makeup.
May makeup ako, my loves. Ayan na po. May makeup ako. Oh, nako, gaganda pala ako nito sa bukid. Ayan. Gaganda ako sa bukid. Ayan, may makeup ako. Ayan. Face palite. Palite pug ko, oy. Ayan, thank you, Gaw, sa imuhang pagwapa ng regalo. Ayan, mugwapa na ko. Binuksan na ni mo, my love. So, may chocolate din pala ako binigay from Corpus Family. Ay, no, hindi. From Libita yata. Libita Family. Ayan, thank you very much sa paghatag mo chocolate. May baon na kami doon sa bukid. Ayan. So, yung binili ni Pops nung nag-shopping sila.
Yeah, open.
Okay, so let's open it. Oh, wait, so, the name is Nanana Surprise! Ayan. La. Okay, na naman. Let's open it. Are you alright, ate? Read the instruction kaya wala ni sa bukid. Hello. Okay. So, ito palang purpose nito, my love. Yung dami, para marami kang lilinisin mamaya. Okay, wait. Let me put the scissors. Yan is a baby. Show it to the people. There you go. Ito po yung laman ng nana na. What is this?
Name is
Baby Grovy. Baby Grovy, my loves. Yan. Okay, so may damit ito. Where's the damit? So ito yung damit. Popsy, put it on the damit. And then,
pops.
at may mga accessories. Ayan, may boots pa. Cute. Wait a minute, Pops. This is the real one box. Okay, put it on. So, no more na. So, yung pagtatapos natin sa ating unboxing, ang saya-saya nila, my loves. Dahil, marami silang natanggap na puro laruan. So, maraming salamat sa inyo sa iyong pagpanonood. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell for notification so that you will notified for my next video. Ayan, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, my loves! Shout out to my member, Ishi Ryan's Art. Please contact her channel if you love painting, if you love art. This channel is really good for you, my love. Check her channel and definitely you will enjoy the content. So my loves, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! Thanks for watching. I love you all. See you next year. Bye!
Let's play now.